Hello everyone, welcome to day 46 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet these tiny heart stitches. So this stitch is done in a foundation row of a multiple of 4. And the first row is a row of single crochets. So I'm starting off my foundation row with a single crochet, foundation single crochet row. Okay, so for the sake of the video, I'm making 16 single crochets. So I have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 2 more stitches, 15 and 16. Okay, so before completing this one, we are going to add our other color, which is going to form the tiny hearts. Okay, so we are not going to attach the yarn as such, but then we are going to run it along while we are making the next row. So chain 1, turn your work, and still holding the red yarn, we are going to make 3 single crochet stitches. So you just hold the yarn like this, that is on top of the hook, and then pull out a loop from the white yarn and make 1 single crochet. So now we have attached the red yarn. So I'm going to make 3 single crochets, normal single crochets, nothing to it, just normal single crochet. You'll have to run the second color all along your work so that this, that's why this patch looks a bit stiff. Okay, so now drop the white yarn, pick up the red yarn, start the single crochet. Once you're done with the golden loop, switch back to white and complete the stitch. Okay, so you have to use a very loose tension for this, because if you use a very tight tension, your hearts won't be visible. So again, I'm going to make 3 single crochet stitches. That is, every 4th stitch is a tiny heart. So that's the pattern I'm following. You can choose to do any pattern that you want. It doesn't matter. Basically, the concept is you just have to insert, pull out the golden loop, and now once the golden loop is out, you have to complete it with the main color. Okay, again now continue. Three single crochets. The 4th one is a tiny heart. Okay, so just like this, you have to complete the row. Now the next row is a row of normal single crochets while running the red yarn all along. Okay, just chain 1, turn, and continue making normal single crochet stitches while taking out the red yarn. Okay, so now if you see here, so this is the top of the yarn, top of the heart that we changed colors. So you just have to prick it into it and continue making normal single crochet stitches. So basically, when you decide on the front and back, the front portion of your stitches will have the tiny heart, and the back portion you will just make normal single crochets. So it's a very simple pattern. You can use it to make any kind of purse or a washcloth or anything that you want. The tiny hearts, it really looks cute in any color. Okay. So if you're a beginner, there is a possibility that you will crochet the stitches a bit tight and your heart won't be visible. Okay. So all you have to do is take out a darning needle and just insert the needle behind the stitch like this and loosen it up a bit. I'm using crochet hook here because my stitches are not tight. Okay, if it's tight, you can just use a darning needle. So if you can see there is a difference between these two stitches. So this one is slightly loose and this one is a bit tight. Just insert into it. And there you have your tiny hearts. Do try out this pattern and I'll meet you back tomorrow with yet another interesting crochet stitch. Thank you.